Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we ran over to the store and grabbed this Makita set from Home Depot, and I wanted to unbox it for you. It's going to be the first power tools that I've ever owned, and I'm really looking forward to doing some more involved DIYs. Alright, here we are. I got the 1/2-inch drill driver and 1/4-inch impact driver set. Says it comes with 2 batteries and a charger, and I believe that it also says that it comes with a bag. Organized really nicely. Battery attached to it. This is the first set of power tools that I've ever got. Always done things by hand, but I want to get more into like working with wood, and I figure it is a good place to start to have some tools of my own. So that's the impact. Let's see what else is in this box. I guess it does come with the bag. Just a little guy, but I think it'll fit these nicely. I mean, it should fit these nicely considering that's what the bag came with. Then we've got the battery charger. I'd say that's pretty self-explanatory. Well, I think these are clips so that you can put them on like a belt. And then of course the manual for the drill, for the impact driver, and for the battery charger. And this was also in there. Looks like that's all of the tools and supplies that Makita makes. Pretty cool. 270 plus tools. That's all that came in the box. Let's see if we can start one of these. I don't know if the batteries come charged. Oh, already I've pressed a button and the light lit up, so I'm assuming that the battery comes charged. Maybe I'm wrong. Try the other one. Same deal. All right, I popped the battery on the charger for a couple minutes just to see if I could power them up and hear the bzz, bzz. So here we go, first time using it. Nice. The other one. These batteries are fairly easy to take off too. Just press the button and you pull it off. Nice. This is awesome. I've never had tools before. I've always had to hammer things in and screw things in on my own. This is gonna make it so much easier to work with bigger items and be able to actually start working with wood like I've wanted to for the last few years. I am so excited. All right, so I've come outside so that I can test out the impact and the drill. I'm just gonna put some wood paneling on this guy. So here's the test. So I guess stick around and hopefully I get a woodworking project up here soon. Thanks for watching.